So let me show you how you can add a WhatsApp chat button to Shopify website. Now you can add this manually, which I genuinely recommend because you actually understand it, or you can use the Shopify app. Let's go over here to step one, which is to go to your Shopify team and then click edit, which basically you have to log in and do all that stuff. And then as you can see, you have to go over here to themes, then edit code on the three dots. And then once you get, you actually have to copy this code right here. Now, I recommend you read through this because I didn't have enough time to kind of look through it. You can even ask AI, is everything here safe, just to be sure. I'm thinking that Shopify has implemented some firewall and some protections, but given the fact that you should not trust anything on the internet, there could be a vulnerability. We actually need to be careful. So just make sure to give this to the AI. Then after you paste that, you have to paste it right here in the theme.liquid file, and then right at the end of this end if. This is all templating language, so basically paste it after this end if. And then you can customize the WhatsApp button in Shopify. For example, give your number, message, position where you want it. And after you've done that, you should see a pop-up. They can customize this. You can even ask AI to redo it. And you can do this pretty much easily.